In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom Breakout Rooms. If you want to split a larger meeting into smaller discussion groups, Zoom Breakout Rooms are a very useful feature. They're great for workshops, team collaboration, classroom activities, and any situation where you want participants to talk in smaller groups instead of staying in one main room the whole time. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process clearly so you can set it up with confidence. To begin, join the Zoom meeting where you want to create breakout rooms. Make sure you're in the meeting and fully loaded into the Zoom interface before moving on. If you're hosting the meeting, you should have access to the controls needed for managing breakout rooms. It helps to wait until your participants have arrived so you can organize them more easily. Once you're inside the meeting, look for the More option in the meeting controls. Depending on your device or Zoom window size, some features may be grouped there instead of appearing directly on the main toolbar. Click on More to open the additional meeting options. This is where you'll usually find tools that aren't shown up front on smaller screens. From that menu, click on Breakouts. This opens the breakout room setup area, where you can decide how many separate rooms you want to create for your participants. Think about the size of your meeting and how you want people grouped. Smaller rooms are often better for discussion, while slightly larger rooms may work better for team tasks. Next, type in how many participants, or more accurately, how many breakout rooms you want Zoom to prepare. This step helps define the structure of the activity. If you're planning several small group conversations, you may want more rooms. If you only need a few teams, enter a smaller number. Try to choose a number that matches the kind of interaction you want. After that, select how you want to assign people to the rooms. Zoom typically gives you options for assigning participants automatically or manually. Automatic assignment is faster and works well when you don't mind random groups. Manual assignment gives you more control, which is useful if you want specific people in specific rooms. Choose the option that best fits your meeting goal. Finally, click Create. Zoom will generate the breakout rooms based on the number you entered and the assignment method you selected. At that point, your rooms are ready for the next stage of your meeting setup. And that's how to use Zoom Breakout Rooms to organize participants into smaller discussion spaces quickly and efficiently.